What's up, everyone? The day we've all been waiting for is finally here. April 16th, Paws token listing day. Bitgate, Babbit, and other exchanges are going live with Paws today. And I've got the inside scoop on what price to expect, key factors that'll move the market, and exactly what you should do with your tokens. Whether you're sitting on thousands or millions of Paws, this is the strategy guide you absolutely need right now. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the details, drop a comment below telling me how many Paws tokens you've collected and what price you're expecting to see today. I'm curious to see who's been grinding hard for this. Remember yesterday when I mentioned Paws might eventually get listed on Binance? Not happening today, but definitely a possibility for the future. If you missed that video, check it out on my channel now. I just uploaded it last night. I break down the new season coming to Paws where you'll have fresh opportunities to earn even more tokens. Seriously, don't skip that one. Let's get into the real meat here, Paws tokenomics and what they mean for today's listing. The total supply is absolutely massive at 100 billion tokens. But here's what matters for today. The circulating supply is 50 billion tokens. That's what's hitting the market at listing time. Each voucher you claimed contains 8,888 tokens, and the awesome part? 62% of the total supply is dedicated to the community. Here's the kicker. There's no vesting period. Your entire airdrop is unlocked at listing. No waiting around for months to get your full allocation like other projects. Everything is available immediately. Now, about 4 million users qualified for this airdrop, but I've noticed something interesting. There are people out there with not just 2 or 3 accounts, but 50, 100, even 200 accounts. I've seen them bragging on Twitter. Having a couple accounts is whatever, but some people really took advantage of the system. Honestly, I'm surprised the POW's team didn't catch and eliminate these multiple account holders. Not cool to game the system that hard, but it is what it is. To make a solid price prediction, we need to look at similar token ecosystems, especially those from the Telegram ecosystem since that's where Paws originated. Let's compare with other Telegram-born tokens. Notcoin is trading with a market cap around $180 million. That's been the top performer in this category. Dogs has strong hype, but is sitting at about 57 million market cap. Hamster is doing well at $158 million. Catson is around $23 million, and X-Empire at approximately $50 million. Current market conditions aren't terrible, but they're not amazing either. They're okay. So where does PAWS fit? Based on the hype levels and community engagement, we're looking at something comparable to X-Empire or Dogs. All right, here's what you've been waiting for. My honest price prediction. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my analysis based on all the factors we've discussed. If Paws launches with a $50 million market cap, we're looking at a price around 1/1000th of a dollar per token. That means if you're holding 10,000 Paws, that's worth about $10. If we hit a $100 million market cap, which is definitely possible with this level of hype, we're looking at roughly 0.02 of a dollar per token. Your 10,000 Paws would be worth around $20. Now, if Paws gets listed on Binance in the future, game changer. We could easily see a $200 million market cap, pushing the price to around $0.004 per token. And 6 to 7 months down the line, who knows how high it could go. So my realistic prediction for today's listing price is between $0.001 and $0.002. That's a market cap of $50 to $100 million, which is perfectly reasonable given the hype and market conditions. But here's something to keep in mind. We might see the price hit $0.002 at listing and then drop within 10 to 15 minutes. That's totally normal for token listings, so don't panic if you see some volatility. Now for the on-chain claim process. Based on how other airdrops have worked, the on-chain claim will likely start either 1 to 2 hours before the exchange listing or immediately after. As soon as that happens, I'll post updates on my Telegram and WhatsApp channels, links in the description. I'll also share my thoughts on how much you should sell versus how much you should hold for the long term. This is crucial strategy that could make a huge difference to your returns. Listen, between us, Telegram token projects are starting to cool off. My advice? Start shifting your attention toward testnet airdrops. I've put links to all the best testnet airdrops in the description, complete with guides on how to participate effectively. If you want to stay ahead of the game, join my Telegram channel. Just hit the link in the description, go to the search bar, and type airdrops or testnet airdrops to see all my posts on upcoming opportunities. I've shared detailed guides for all of them. For today's listing, here's my advice. Be ready to move fast. When on-chain claiming goes live, the network might get congested. Have your wallet ready, gas fees prepared, and be patient if transactions take a little longer than usual. If the price hits that 0.002 mark I'm predicting, consider taking some profits. Maybe 30 to 40% of your holdings. Keep the rest for potential Binance listing news or other catalysts that could drive the price higher in the coming months. Remember, no one ever went broke taking profits, but at the same time, you don't want to miss out on potential massive gains if Paws continues to grow. That's the complete breakdown of what to expect for today's Paws listing. I hope this gives you a clear picture of what's coming and how to position yourself for maximum benefit. If this helped you out, make sure to smash that like button. Let's hit 300 likes on this video. Subscribe if you're new here, and don't forget to hit that bell icon and set it to all so you never miss my updates, especially time-sensitive ones like airdrop claims. Share this with your friends who are into Paws or anyone collecting airdrops. They'll thank you for it. And remember to join my Telegram and WhatsApp channels for real-time updates throughout the day. This is going to be an exciting day for Paws holders. I'll catch you all in the next video with the results of today's listing and what our next moves should be. Peace out, and until next time, here's a huge shout out to all of my Epic channel members. Mohammed Albada Moyi Kaura, Inoxon 001, Bemarinov YTube, Okemdi Chememeze, Behind the Wheels, James, Peter Edit, ENGR Chukwu Nonzo Chioma, Osundeko Sesan, Yahaya Haruna Idris, Adequeen, Jacob Malo, Ekene Okwuosa, Sir Faithy, Michaela, Akinwala Johnson, Godin Walby, Damian Dickman, Nick, Angel Phoenix, Ogechi Destiny, Ekweme Kingsley, Bipolaroidi, Alexithemia, Dotun Ayeni, Tochukwu Lawrence, Chika Egbo, Benedict Emeka, Ifidigbo Chukwebuka Nduka, Obianuju Purity, Lorena Canaresio, Muhammad Labaran, Jazzy B021, Raymond Sunday, Ihemadu Christopher, Dr. Parasites, Cleovetson Wealth, Ruth Ekanem, Raidah Musa, Easy Blaze, Nicholas Meller, Sir Wills, Ms. Bodine Raji, Curris M., Jasper Ibrahim, Joycey, Chiedozie Mesirionia, Isa Tahir, Soare Ionel, Petri Pukanen, Shalk, Bello Muhammad Jallo, Prince Orji C. Okori, Samsonite Amos, Ike Chukwu Jonas Okafor, Omale Ojonugwa, Johnson Jeed, Raji Abdul, Arabi Hamza Yakubu, Paragon, Kestin Balogan, Akwenuke Chris, Omosefe Enogieru, Ifi Christine Achi, Uduak Etuk, Rubani Nakushbandi, Adnork Global Inn, Dorothy Mulenga Shimakumba, Julian Shupman, Legend of God Concern Pharmacy, Emeti Chinedu, Priska, Abeldaria, Usman Safianu, SMB Designs, Emmanuel Josiah, Endurance, Mohammed Zulkanin. Thank you guys for supporting me. You are amazing.